Hey, how's it going, guys? Andy Fairchild here, getting ready to do some blacksmithing with my son out at Greenwood, Kentucky, where the weather is bipolar as hell. Hand me that knife.
Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing.
I just got a knife and you ever do something? You ever go do something?
Now, right here is the boot knife that I've been creating here recently. It's a 1040 high carbon steel. It was an open face wrench, older one. Basic design was for a friend of ours named Special K. I call him Special K. Essentially, you got the blade in the front here, and you're going to have the blade in the side where you tuck it into your boot, and you also have the puncture tip on that right there. My fiance's actually wanted to shaped up some of this right here and cleaned it up pretty good. We're going to do the finishing touches here at some point, and we're actually going to take the drill press and actually put the pins and the handle and everything on there. Now, me and my, like I said, stepson's getting ready to do some railroad spikes. Simple, basic, to the point. He's never done railroad spikes before, and he's been wanting to do some blacksmithing for quite some time. Now, I am by no means a professional. Just recently started doing blacksmithing about maybe 8 months ago. Self-taught. I'm actually getting ready to go into some classes with James Collins, who is down at Avalon New Age Shop out there at Meade Station, there in Canonsburg, Kentucky. Anyhow, so right over there is the forge. Call her Little Ginger. Ain't much to her. There's my fiance right there, grinding up a knife that we made not too long ago have a railroad spike. First time she's ever been around the grinder. Doing really, really, really good. And of course my son Brian. You gonna walk away, Brian?
Yeah.
Really, Brian? Come on, Brian. Come on, Brian.
No.
Come on. Okay. Anyway, he doesn't want to be seen. So down in here is where we got all the metal, railroad spikes, everything else that works, and we got the tools up in here. So this was actually all made by materials that was on the property. It was an old oil canister that we cut out and put Kyrex wool and the fire brick and the custom burners along with the 30 psi regulator. Need to upgrade the propane tank, need something bigger. But anyway, other than that, it's working pretty daggone good. But here in just a bit, we are going to get ready and do some railroad spikes. So, one moment. You look so happy.
Shit.
Careful what you say on YouTube. You can say cuss words.
Gotta get that for me. You say too many cuss words in a video.